Hello. Today I will be showing you how to sign in to your session so you can present. First, you need to make sure that you have registered. I opened a web browser and I just typed in the Cal-TASH 2021 virtual conference link. For purposes of this tutorial, I am simply going to click that I want a no-cost ticket, and I will click checkout. Once I do that, it will direct me to this page right here. It is asking that I register. Again, you are not able to enter the conference unless you register. So I will go ahead and quickly register myself. Once you have registered, you will be led to this page. If you would like to add your bio or any other information, you are going to go ahead and click on the top right-hand corner. See the button with your initials. Click there and then click My Account. That will lead you to this page right here. You will notice you have a couple of different options: Home, Events, Connections, and Profile. You will go ahead and click on Profile. Here you have the ability to choose an image, such as your picture. You can go ahead and add a headline, and I'm just going to add, "This is a test," and any information about you. So I will put Elia loves creating virtual events. Make sure that my email is correct, and if I would like to change my password, you can do that here as well. And here, any social media handles that you have and or personal websites, you can go ahead and update them here. You go ahead and click Save, and now your information is saved. Now that I have completed my profile, I can go ahead and click on Home, and it will say, "Hello, your upcoming events are here," and it shows that Cal-TASH is my upcoming event. I will go ahead and click on the Cal-TASH logo, and it leads me to what we call our registration page. You will notice a couple of things. It states how many people are attending so far. It's saying that I am in, and I have the option to add this to my calendar. You will notice a couple of things, and I want to guide your attention to the following. This is a slideshow that you can go ahead and click, and it contains just different information about our conference. If you scroll to the next slideshow, you will notice that we have a colorful, color-coded schedule, and it's actually hyperlinked. So if you are interested in knowing more about, say, for example, safe and responsible in-person support at work, you click on that, and it leads you to the fuller description of that event. If you would like to go back, you go ahead and click on Session, and it takes you back to the original page. But if you want to know information about the town hall, click there. And again, it gives you all the information in terms of who's presenting, who's moderating, and so forth. We go back to full schedule, and you are back. You're also able to enlarge this as well. We created this colorful or color-coded schedule because the one that Hopin offers is not as colorful or nicely organized as ours. So you will notice right here, this is their schedule. We like color, so we went ahead and added color to ours. From there, you will scroll. You can actually click on sponsors, and you can see who is sponsoring our event so far. Again, you can click on schedule. It'll show you the presentations that we have so far. You click on speakers. It shows who is speaking. And then if you have any booths, it shows right here your booth. So on the day of the event, the actual Hopin website will open at 7:55. That means that you can actually start perusing through the Hopin website to see what our Cal-TASH conference has to offer. So I'm just going to give you a couple of different pointers to just help you navigate the website. So you will notice that the reception area is highlighted. That is because this is our reception area. So you will notice the same slideshow that we had in our registration area. And again, we will be updating this continuously, so it's really nice for you to just kind of check it out once in a while. And here is our really pretty, colorful, color-coded schedule as well, that again you can go ahead and just click on any session that you are interested in, and it will lead you to the longer description. If you want to go back, click on top right hand corner. You will also notice some of our sponsors and ads are located here. Okay, as you scroll down, you will continue to see our schedule. And again, this schedule has more information than our color-coded one, but it doesn't have a nice way to organize, or it's not as organized as ours. So again, you have two different options, and this is where your sessions will appear. So the sessions, once you are ready to start your presentation and you want to join your breakout room, your breakout session, you will go ahead and click on sessions. And you will notice that they are all going to be listed here. They're not all listed here now just because we haven't started the conference, but you will go ahead and see yours listed just like it is right here. And you will go ahead and click on it, and it leads you to your actual session. So you will notice that this share audio and video is highlighted in blue, and currently it says welcome to the session. You're currently participating as a viewer. Click on the button here to begin sharing your audio and video. So as the presenter, as you enter this session, just like anyone else, because you are presenting, you go ahead and click on share audio and video, and see, there I am, and it will say, Elia's AirPods, and we're using the FaceTime HD camera, and you just go ahead and click apply. You don't want to uncheck anything. Click apply, and now it will give you the opportunity to share whatever you would like. So you go ahead and click on share audio and video, and now you will see yourself the way that your attendees will see you. You can go ahead and maximize by clicking twice, or minimize. I actually have the screen stretched, so that's why it's already large. If you are ready to share your presentation, you go ahead and click on this like computer icon, and you click on share screen. You will allow it, and now you will be at the bottom, and your attendees will see the PowerPoint here on top. The only issue though is that you will have to remove and make your presentation kind of like the focus, so you won't be able to see yourself. But other than that, you will go ahead and just kind of go through your presentation. We will have a moderator there for you that will help with questions or anything of that sort. You will be at the bottom, and your attendees will see the PowerPoint here on top. The only issue though is that you will have to remove and make your presentation kind of like the focus, so you won't be able to see yourself. But other than that, you will go ahead and just kind of go through your presentation. We will have a moderator there for you that will help with questions or anything of that sort.